What's up guys, Sharoy here from Just Another Style channel, and today I got my first ever live cop video. I'm in my glasses, I'm just chilling, I actually got a fresh haircut, and yeah, this is actually not an actual live cop. Essentially what I do is, because I'm in class during the drop time, I'm not able to actually talk and give my commentary live. But what I do is I screen record it now, and then after class and when I get home and when I have time to record, I go over the footage, watch it with you guys as I'm talking to you guys, and then actually provide my commentary on step by step how things went down. And I'm able to actually tell you guys how frustrated I am or how easy it was and all that nonsense. And this drop, let me start off by saying it was terrible. I caught the L. If you want to click off this video now because I caught the L, or you want to watch the video till the end and just watch how amusing it is to watch me catch this L, go for it. So this video is about the SS18 week 8 a RIMOWA drop, and I have my world clock set up. Coming down to the last few seconds, I was in the accessory tab. That was my mistake. I was refreshing away in the accessory tab constantly, and that is because in the European drop on the European Supreme website, it was actually in the accessories tab for the RIMOWA suitcases, but on the American site it came up in the bags tab. And I don't know why I was being stupid, and in my heart, in my gut, I knew it was going to be in the bags tab, but I went with whatever was said. By the time I clicked on the new tab, got over to it, black was still available. I don't know why I didn't go for the black. I clicked off of it. I was so stuck up on getting that L, that red bag, sorry, and I knew I was gonna get that L. Like, that L was already in my mind as soon as I saw the first sold out. I was frustrated, I wasn't thinking straight. I was just going back and forth, refreshing, adding to cart, refreshing, trying to add to cart again and again and again. And by the time it let me add to cart, get there, it said item sold out, but I'm like, you know what, maybe I'll get a ghost order, maybe it'll go through, who knows, right? So I start filling out my info, put it in, gives me sold out. And I didn't even realize it initially till I was re-watching the video that I actually did not have my autofill set up. So I don't know what happened to my autofill. It's been set up every week, but for this drop it just, I guess, deleted itself, or Supreme deleted, who knows what happened to it. But the L was inbound regardless, because even if I got it and checked out in the 15 seconds that this bag sold out, I would not have realized initially that my information was not auto-filled out. And I manually enter my CVV and all that, but I would have not realized my expiration date wasn't auto-filled and ready to go, so I would have caught the L right there. And I would have been kind of confused on what's going on, and by the time I would have realized it, the bag would have sold out anyways. So then what happened was I caught the L. I was waiting on restocks, I was going back and forth, I was just checking the bag, going through the bag, refreshing the bag again and again and again. Next thing you know, check the clock, see what time it is, all that nonsense, and next thing you know, it starts popping up again. I refresh it, it pops up, add to cart, sold out again. What can I do? I guess the L was inbound regardless, no matter how hard I tried. I actually stayed on the site till I think 11:20, and yeah, I can't believe I stayed on the site till 11:20. Like, I missed out on a stack this week. That's why I was kind of bummed out. A stack is essentially a grand, if you guys don't know what a stack means. So in resale value, I would have made a stack off of one suitcase, and yo, that would have covered a lot of things, guys. I don't need to tell you guys how much a stack covers. It would have covered a few shoes I want to pick up. It would have covered a lot of things here and there. But it is what it is. Sometimes you catch L's. This is actually my first L of the 2018 spring-summer season, so who knows, guys. All the rest of the season is going to be W's, guys. I just see it in the future. I know it's going to be all W's. You got to catch one L in the season. It's a must, just so it keeps you ready, keeps you on the edge, and it keeps you motivated to get to the end of the season. And everything else pretty much sold out pretty quick. I was surprised. I personally liked the Martin Luther King hoodie. Some people didn't, but that's personal choice. When the keychain is the most hyped item, that's when you know something's wrong. So that's something to think about. But for all you guys that slept on the bag, you guys slept on a stack. I caught the L on a stack. At least you guys got your full 8 hours of sleep instead. So I hope you guys like this live cop. Hope you guys found it entertaining watching me trying to catch this L and just basically frantically refreshing the page. And I hope I can do more live cop videos in the future. Let me know what you guys think of this style of video, and if you guys want to see more of these in the future, because I want to make content that you guys truly do enjoy. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.